He's flying higher now. He's just buzzing. You can see him right out there. This is all they do all day. All day long. That's loud over quiet Mission Viejo. That's all they do. That's how the government's been communicating with me for over a year and a half. Planes, helicopters, warplanes, drones, fake people, traps, fake news. Flying warplanes over my house and then putting on an air show in Santa Ana for little kids to cover it up. There they go. That's loud over Mission Viejo and nobody notices because they don't think.